currently 11:46 a.m. I haven't slept the whole night. I woke up at like 4 and went to sleep at like 7. And yeah, my room is a mess. I was supposed to do this section last night, but I didn't get the chance because 1, the battery died, the battery to my camera died, and 2, the lighting was bad. It was like evening, like it was about night time, so the lighting was kind of. The past few days the weather has been
acting up, so
I couldn't film anything. Today's plan is, like I mentioned, I really wanted to do like a weekend in my life type of vlog, because I don't know, I think I'm gonna be busy this weekend. No, I'm just guessing, and I do like vlogging. Like vlogging was so fun last month, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna keep doing it. Like, no. Anyway, my room's a mess. We're gonna deal with that, and I'll see you guys. No, you know what, I'm gonna bring you guys to go make breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet, but bring you guys with me. Let's go. Made myself a cup of tea, a little bit of oats. This is the tea I'm drinking. It's so good. More than just tea. That's what I'm having.
Guys, updates. We're going to Gikosh, a junction. UI. Kinda cute idea. It's not well blended. Where did we go?
First winter for the future kids, melt in a kiln of bubble smurfs. I retire to the fire, crackle bones break first, while the lions haggle dome in a cross-burn mood. It's a lost lock's moon in a crop top tomb. Fire wizards fed Lazarus a twist vine. Get naked here now, this is the best time. Distance flirting for a cursed world's courtesy. A third planet speckle or a desert game hide and seek. Leaderless that keeps being cursed, and the worst wizards spell hell for the earth. Firm relations with the moguls and the earthworms. Stark truth gentlemen, terraform everything. Nothing looks like anything, everything is cool. But I've seen the bees talk in the pulse of the moon. To the crux of the hive, honey pillar thumbs hike. With the bitter lost sweet tooth reared for the fight. There's the epitaph, no it's
Guys, we're so hungry. We came to get pizza. I died. We left the art showing and now we're having pizza at Galitos.
Everybody panic, it's a curse. Whispers in a hearse. Let's throw bones close to a die-alone world. Manic in the church, palace for a ghost. These ghost bones curse, clones let them all. Everybody panic, it's a curse. Whisper.
Hi, I'm Steph. I'm Yazzi's friend since forever. So like 10 years. More than forever. Used to be classmates in high school. Can you imagine? It's like my bestest of friends. Why they look so fun?
Old show. Chilling with my animatronic pet furniture, watching Silver Surfer orbiting this digital earth with aerodynamic, gigantic mechanical birds. Automobility and the high-tech breeding of nerds. Feeling absurd, munching microchip robot chicken flavored basil pesto. Yummy manifesto, finger licking good times. The clock's ticking, the plot thickens. Got the gadget hit smitten.
I'm finally back home. Today was so fun. I got to meet so many of you, like creatives out there. It was so fun. I had such a good time, and it was so cool seeing like Gikosh just like live and stuff. I missed Osborne Masharia's last show at Allianz. I was there like the day after. I didn't know how long it was running for, so I was like, the mistake was like on me, but I missed it, and I was so sad about this. I was like, I couldn't miss this one. Yeah, it was so good. I really enjoyed it. It was so cool. So today's makeup was kind of inspired by Kim K. My lash is actually falling out by her like Mario palette thingy. That's where I got my inspiration today, and I absolutely love it. I didn't know how I'd look with it because it kind of got muddy at the beginning, but I like the way it turned out. It's not my best, but I'm getting there. I told you I don't wear color that much, but I really like the way it turned out. It's gonna be tricky because I don't think I'll be up too much, but we'll see. We'll see. Just sign out this video, yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Why do I say thanks for watching? I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Today is Sunday morning. I'm super tired. I have to go make lunch. I have to study today. I don't think I'll be up too much today. I plan to stay indoors the whole day because I'm super tired. Like my whole week I've been out of the house from Monday to Saturday, and I'm just trying to cool it, you know. later. My skin is doing so much. I need to do an update for like the facial that I had. So far I really like the texture of my skin has gone down so much, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so happy I decided to don't worry about this 2 nail polish. By the way, I was getting them out. I just like painted my nails for like last night. Yeah, and my henna looks, I know it looks like I have like glue on my fingers, but it's actually like the henna that's fading. I don't know how I feel about the fading stage. I usually like it, but this henna usually fades so weirdly. Do you see? It's like fades in like patches, but it's like the best henna ever. I'll see you guys later.
Whispers in a hearse, let's throw bones close to a die-alone world. Manic in the church, palace for a ghost. These clones know the truth, prof, let them all choke. Everybody panic, it's a curse. Whispers in a hearse, let's throw bones close to a die-alone world. Manic.
Can you guys even see me? Guys, just left Naiva's shopping mall. I'm currently waiting for my sister to come, and then we can leave. But yeah, I have to go home and cook. There was like a couple of things that we needed for lunch, so we needed to come by and pass by and just get some stuff. Let me show you one of my favorite chocolates that I got. So I don't know if you can see this, but I love this lunch bar. It's so good. I hope I've been in focus all this time, because it's gonna suck if I'm not. And it's just like shiny. I hope the color like adjusts itself. But other than that, it's time to go home.
Morning. I got a cold on the day after Eid on Friday. On Saturday actually, Eid is on Friday. Cold, I went out with like no sweater on. I was on warm. I was just... My chest was exposed to the cold, and now I'm sick. I have like a really bad cold. I haven't had a cold in like ages, so I really don't know what to do. It's been like a week since my facial, and to be honest, I've seen like a huge difference. I really enjoyed vlogging on Ramadan. It was like my favorite. Like, I really love vlogs. It's so fun, and I think I'm gonna keep doing them. Let me know what you guys think. Just like moisturizing my face. As you can tell, that lady has the facial area. She used like 10% salicylic acid on me, and I could tell the difference because my skin really did that peel, like that mini peel, and my scars are like kind of fading now, which is like my biggest problem. Like, if you see me, there's like the bumps aren't that much usually. It's just like the scars which makes you think like I have like crazy acne, but I don't. But yeah. Anyway, I'm using this Wild Rose essential oil. It's from Germany. I can't even read it, to be honest. It just says something Wild Rose. Also, I've been like makeup free since the Eid day. Like, Saturday was the last day I wore makeup on Saturday is when I did like a proper beat when I went out. Like, I haven't worn makeup since. Only partly because one, I've been sick. As you can tell, I'm like sniffling, and two, I'm just trying to give my skin a break, to be honest. I just had the facial. I want it to work all its magic. Some people ask me if the sunscreen leaves like a white film. It doesn't, as you can tell. Like, I don't look ashy. I don't know, there's an ingredient that usually causes that. It's an ingredient that usually causes like that white film on the skin, and this one doesn't have, mostly because it's like a very natural. It's like a more natural alternative. I use like the green tea one. Like I mentioned, you can find it on a Healthy You. Anyway, I have to get going.
In the church, palace for a ghost. These ghost bones, curse clones, let them all show.